Darjeeling, the Queen of Hills, hidden secrets of India's most beautiful mountain town. Welcome to Darjeeling, the Queen of Hills, a timeless paradise nestled in the Himalayas of West Bengal, India. Sunrise. In this cinematic travel journey, we'll uncover Darjeeling's hidden beauty, from the legendary toy train to the world-famous tea gardens, from breathtaking sunrises over Kanchenjunga to the peaceful charm of its colonial past. Discover why Darjeeling is called the Champagne of Hill Stations. We'll take you deep into its misty valleys, its soulful streets, and its stories that have captivated travelers for over a century. Sparkles in this video, you'll explore locomotive, the legendary Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, toy train, leaf in wind Darjeeling Tea Gardens, the world's finest tea sunrise Tiger Hill sunrise with view of Kanchenjunga synagogue British-era architecture and colonial charm folded hands peace pagoda and amp. The spiritual side of Darjeeling paw red panda and amp. Himalayan wildlife at the zoo. Darjeeling is more than just a place, it's a feeling, a melody, a dream. Herb. Round pushpin location. Darjeeling, West Bengal, India. Movie camera video by Journey Junction. Travel guide. Imagine a place where the clouds bend low enough to touch your hands, where emerald tea gardens roll endlessly like waves in the wind, and where an old toy train whistles through the mountains, carrying stories from another time. This is Darjeeling, the Queen of the Hills, a jewel of West Bengal, India. But beneath its breathtaking beauty lies something far deeper, a tale of colonial charm, Himalayan dreams, and human endurance against the forces of nature. Welcome to Journey Junction, travel guide, where we explore the world's most beautiful destinations before you set foot there yourself. If you love breathtaking landscapes, timeless stories, and unforgettable adventures, right finger make sure to subscribe, tap the bell icon, and join our growing family of explorers from around the world. Because today, we're about to embark on a journey you'll never forget, through misty mornings, thundering mountains, and the soul of Darjeeling. The Queen of the Hills. Darjeeling isn't just a hill station, it's an emotion wrapped in fog. Located in the Lesser Himalayas at about 6,700 feet above sea level, Darjeeling gazes proudly upon the majestic Kanchenjunga, the world's third highest mountain. Every morning, the people of this town awaken not just to the smell of tea but to the symphony of nature, chirping birds, soft winds through the pines, and the golden sunlight painting the Himalayan peaks. The name, Darjeeling, comes from two Tibetan words, Dorje, meaning thunderbolt, and Ling, meaning land or place. Together, Darjeeling means the land of the thunderbolt. And perhaps that's fitting, because this place strikes your heart with beauty so powerful, it feels almost electric. But before this paradise became a traveler's dream, it was a wilderness, ruled by ancient kingdoms, contested by empires, and molded by human dreams. The history of Darjeeling. Long before the British ever heard of Darjeeling, these hills were home to the Lepchas, the indigenous people who revered the land as sacred. They called the Himalayas, the abode of the gods. Then came the Gorkhas and the Sikkimese, and eventually, the British, who saw Darjeeling not as a remote mountain, but as a refuge. In 1828, two British officers stumbled upon this cool, misty ridge while surveying the area. Struck by its climate, they knew immediately, this was the perfect escape from the sweltering plains of India. By 1835, Darjeeling was handed over to the British East India Company, and what followed changed the destiny of these hills forever. The British built sanatoriums, schools, and tea estates, transforming Darjeeling into a summer capital, a cool paradise for officers and aristocrats. The charm of the Raj still lingers here, in its Victorian architecture, stone cottages, and church bells that echo through the fog. But the British brought more than just buildings, they brought tea. Darjeeling tea. The champagne of teas. When you hear Darjeeling, one word comes instantly to mind: tea. But this isn't ordinary tea. It's called the champagne of teas. Light, floral, with a hint of muscatel flavor. Darjeeling tea is prized by connoisseurs across the world. The first seeds were planted in the 1840s, brought from China. Today, over 87 tea gardens stretch across the hills, producing some of the finest leaves on earth. Imagine standing on a ridge at sunrise, rows upon rows of lush green tea bushes cascading down the hills. Women in colorful saris plucking leaves with rhythmic grace, their baskets filling with the aroma of history. Every sip of Darjeeling tea carries the soul of these mountains, its mist, its rain, its sunshine, and its hard-working people. It's not just tea. It's the spirit of Darjeeling in a cup. The legendary Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Few things define Darjeeling more than its toy train, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built in 1881, this miniature marvel climbs from the plains of Siliguri up to Darjeeling, covering just 88 kilometers, but what a journey it is. The train winds through lush forests, tiny villages, steep curves, and thrilling loops, including the famous Batasia Loop, where the train spirals around a garden with breathtaking views of the Kanchenjunga. This isn't just a ride, it's a passage through time. The whistle echoes like a song of nostalgia, a melody of the mountains. Reflective tone. Every traveler who boards this train becomes part of its story. You'll lean out of the window, feel the cold mist on your face, and realize you're riding through one of the last living legends of India's colonial era. Scenic beauty and attractions. Darjeeling is a living postcard. Every corner seems crafted for a photograph. Begin your journey at Tiger Hill, where dawn unveils one of the most majestic sights on earth. The first light of sunrise illuminating the peak of Kanchenjunga, transforming it into gold. And on a clear morning, you might even glimpse the distant Mount Everest. Then there's the Batasia Loop, not just a railway wonder but also home to a Gorkha War Memorial, a tribute to the brave soldiers of the hills. Walk through Mall Road, where life moves at a relaxed pace. Locals sip tea, artists sketch the mountains, and horses trot lazily along the ridge. Visit Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, home to the elusive red panda and the majestic snow leopard, species that remind us how fragile and magical nature can be. Or take a moment at the Peace Pagoda, where white stupas and golden statues of Buddha overlook the valleys, a symbol of unity and serenity in a world full of chaos. And don't forget to stroll through the Happy Valley Tea Estate, one of the oldest in Darjeeling, where you can watch tea making live and taste the golden brew fresh from the source. Culture, people, and festivals. A mosaic of cultures, Nepali, Tibetan, Lepcha, and Bengali, all blending beautifully. The locals greet you with warmth and smiles that can melt the coldest fog. You'll hear the music of the matal drum, taste momos steaming hot, and smell butter tea and thukpa on every corner. Festivals here are colorful and vibrant, from Tihar, Festival of Lights, to Losar, Tibetan New Year. Every celebration echoes through the hills like music carried by the wind. This is where faith, tradition, and nature coexist in perfect harmony. The other side, challenges and fragility, but every paradise has its price. Darjeeling, for all its beauty, faces the harsh realities of time and nature. The town battles landslides, over-tourism, and the growing pressures of modernization. Each year, more visitors arrive, sometimes more than the fragile ecosystem can handle. The tea gardens struggle against climate change. The mountains erode. And the old charm slowly fades. Emotional pause. That's why, as travelers, we must explore responsibly, not just to see, but to preserve. Because once these hills are gone, the mist will rise, but the magic may never return. The spirit of Darjeeling isn't just a destination, it's a feeling that stays with you long after you've left. It's in the sound of the toy train, the taste of the tea, the laughter of schoolchildren on Mall Road, and the sight of Kanchenjunga glowing at dawn. Every moment here reminds you that beauty doesn't need to shout, it whispers softly, through the fog. When you walk down its slopes, you're not just walking through a hill town, you're walking through history, emotion, and nature's poetry. So, if you ever find yourself yearning for peace, beauty, and stories untold, come to Darjeeling. Let the mountains heal you. Let the mist remind you how small we are, yet how vast the world can be. If this journey through Darjeeling touched your heart, don't let it stop here. Globe right finger hit the like button. Right finger share this video with your fellow travelers. And right finger subscribe to Journey Junction Travel Guide for more breathtaking stories from around the world. Every view, every comment, every subscriber helps this channel grow, and helps us keep exploring the wonders of our planet together. Until next time, travel more, worry less, and always keep your heart open to the journey. This is Journey Junction, signing off from the Queen of the Hills, Darjeeling.